What's going on, everybody? Just a quick update to one formula that's in this spreadsheet here. More specifically, it is the formula for the p-value here. There are times when this is giving a value that's near 1. We really want to have it always show the tail here for this. And so in this case, it so happens that the tail is on the other side here. So we want it to be able to check for that. So this is actually, we're going to make use of the same formula that's here. And in fact, whoops, let me do this. Let me increase the magnification here so you can all see exactly what I'm doing. It's this formula that we're going to be working with here. But I'm going to click right to the left of the T here and to the right of the equal sign. And I'm going to put the word min, as in minimum, to the left of this. And then I'm going to indicate a left parentheses here. Let me scroll up here a little bit so it might be easier to see. Well, that's being pesky, isn't it? Here, let me put a right parentheses here just to close it out. So I have a right parentheses on the other side here. So I'm going to hit enter on that. And I'm just going to double click on it again so you can see it. Now it's above my head here now, so that'll be helpful. All right, so we're taking the minimum of this, but I'm going to put a comma after this and allow for us to also check 1 minus this. So 1 minus the same thing, t dot dist with the same parameters, d7, d6, minus 2, and true. Okay, and parentheses on that. Okay, and so that should make it so that in this instance, notice it was giving a value of 0.97. That's valid, but it's not showing the thing that we really want it to show. We want it to show the tail here, the smaller part of this. So 0.02 here is what we want. And in fact, since these are always two-tailed tests, what we want to always do is actually multiply this by 2. So I've double-clicked on this again so that I have my formula, and in front of the formula, after the equal sign, I'm going to put 2 times what we've just had there. So this is now 2 times minimum of those two things that you can see on your screen there. That's all we had to change. So everything should be good after that. So yeah, this is twice as big as is appropriate. All right, so hopefully that's just a nice quick thing here. That's the only thing we had to change. That's actually the last of our videos here. See you soon.